Let's take a look at my new printer. It's an HP Think Tank and I love it. Let me show you why. Okay, here we are. And with it, initially, you can pull out this little drawer, little flap opens up, as you can see, and it means that any pages that you're printing will automatically sit in here rather than having them fall on the floor. But of course you can push that away and it tidies it up nicely. Up the top here is where you scan. Again, pop your documents in, and it's just a nice little flap that just keeps everything so tidy, which is great. Like a normal printer, you can print double-sided and it will automatically flip the sides over, so you don't have to manually do it. You can scan. If you still use faxes, you can do that as well, and naturally you can copy. So to do copy, we just simply lift the top, and here we go here. It's for your scan and your copy. Now, the big thing with this that I really want to show you is that it's cartridgeless. So we just have to pop in ink. A little lever here at the side. Simply lift up the lid. And what you've got in here, under this flap, where you've got the ink cartridge for black. Close that down. And then you've got your yellow, cyan and magenta. When it comes to refilling them, all you do is just lift this little lid and you can see in here, you've just got little ink bottles. You just simply plump them on the top and it will automatically feed back into the ink well. So it's really clean and seamless. The other thing is down the bottom, you have got your ink levels, and you can see that on this one as well. And so these actually indicate where your ink levels are and if they need to be topped up. If you want to get your new printer, an HP Smart Tank, simply click on the link below.